Okay, so the idea is that the iron itself is not the secret here. Anybody can take an iron and make a lot of steam, that's fine. But this is a system that uses the board in conjunction with the iron. So the idea here is if you look right underneath the iron, you're going to see the steam go all the way through the board. Okay? So that's because the board is pulling at the same time that the iron is pushing. There are motors in here that vacuum the steam down. And the reason for that is because it creates an effect where the steam does not stop at the fiber. It goes all the way through it. Now here's what I'm showing. Here's what I'm doing to prove this. This is a lab coat. A lab coat is a very heavy material. And as a result of that, I can actually say that this is equivalent to a light denim. It's even equivalent to, say, a khaki pants or something like that. If I were going to press the legs of a khaki set of pants, I would have to do both sides here and then press here. But this speeds up the process because it's pulling the steam all the way through the garment. So I can actually put both legs down at the same time, and I can press using the steam pull and push. And as a result of that, not only does it make the top section very, very smooth, but it goes through the second section, the third section, and the fourth section. So you never have to press the second side. So it's a remarkably fast development. In fact, you can even do things, very, very light things, even something as delicate as a silk scarf. I can do two things. I can either put the diffuser plate on here, and I can use the vacuuming part to actually steam very quickly, even on something like silk. Okay, and again, it does both sides. Or if I had something I wanted to be even more delicate with, I can reverse the airflow on the board. So I'll press this button right there, and I'll push the activation switch. Watch the board. It inflates, and as a result of that, I can then use just steam against air, okay, and relax the wrinkles. It takes a little bit more time, of course, but I can then relax the wrinkles even on both sides and not have to press the garment. So the idea is I can inflate the board, or I can have the board pull and do both. Now it's very easy to use. Water supply is right back here. Simple water supply. It uses regular water, not distilled water. It uses 120 volt power, and it folds up into this little stand right here, so it's very easy. And as a matter of fact, when I'm ready to break it down, all I do is I adjust the height, because it goes up and down to whatever height I want. I put it all the way down, I release it, and it just rolls right up and clicks and rolls away. This is called Miele's Fashion Master.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube video. If you'd like to see more appliance reviews and ratings, please click on the link below to subscribe to our channel, or visit our website at appliancebuyersguide.com.